boys and girls. Today I'm going to unbox for you my new Orgen. It's an Arcade 2171. So let me just read for you the specifications on it. So it has a 61 key standard touch keyboard, LCD backlighting display, 128 kinds of GM standard tones, 128 kinds of word well chosen auto accompaniment, 10 Chinese demo songs, 30 English demo songs, 61 keyboard drums and 8 panel drums, vibrato, sustain, pitch bend, transpose, touch keyboard split, record replay, 24 notes, real-time record function, rhythm programming function, 4 status memories to store note, rhythm, tempo settings for use, start, stop, sync, fill in, tone CLR, finger chord, single chord, auto chord, demo song, Orgen guide, volume control, keyboard drums, tempo, metronome, power jack, headphone jack, left and right sound track jack. So let me just get my unboxing knife. So it has 4 kinds of tip. So let's just open this. So here you have it. Just get it closer. So you just open it this way. Yep. So let me get it down like this. So you're gonna have a lot of stuff here. So here's the power jack. It has a power brick, the plug that goes into the organ, and the plug that goes into the wall. It has a really hefty and huge brick, but I don't care, I'm not going to move it. And then what we're going to have is this to put your papers on, to put your notes on, to play it. And I'm going to show you how to use it now. And then you're going to have the organ itself, covered by nice little cardboard. And just take this out. So yeah, it's out. I believe there's nothing else in the box. Nothing else. So let's just get this out. Then I'm going to take first piece of cardboard out. And here's the second piece of cardboard out. No care. And here's the organ itself. Has some plastic on it. You just take this out. So here's the cardboard. Here's the plastic out. Just get it inside the box. So here you have it. As I said, it has 61 keyboard notes, LCD screen, and drums and tones, style and voice, the songs, demos, power button, volume up, volume down, tempo, volume. Then you're gonna have, here are the names of the 128 styles, voices and styles. Then we're gonna put this on it. So this is how you use it. You put it on and just put your papers on. So let me just try it on for you guys and let's see what happens. So, let me just show you the ports. You're gonna have the power cord, headphones, and R out and L out. So let's get this into the power. So this goes in here, and the power will go there. Just let me release it. So yeah. So my friend will try it out for you now. So let's get into it. And yeah, that's a good thing to do. Let's just give you so see, it has really nice voice and gives you all the tones you need to get. So if you get any paper, you can put it just right here. Thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, please. It really helps me out. Thank you.